Hi, my name is David Welch. I'm coming to you today from Brothers Tech Center. If you go onto our YouTube channel and subscribe, you'll be able to see when I lowered the front of Oscar's 51 GMC. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and lower the rear. I'm going to do it a nice simple way with this 3-inch block. You can get these in 1, 2, or 3 inches. It comes with your U-bolts and your washers and nuts down on the end. Now this is a pretty simple install. But you got to be nice and careful. You need to make sure you're on flat ground. You make sure you block your tires in the front and back. We're going to go ahead and jack up the truck. We're going to get 2 jacks under both sides of the frame. Then we're going to go ahead and bring it back down. We're going to raise the rear end just enough to get the tension off the springs. And then I'm going to go ahead and take these lower bolts off. When you're taking those lower bolts off, see how much tension's on there. You just don't want this thing to go slamming up on you. Nice and careful, be safe. I'm going to get these off and show you how easy this is to install. Now I want you to notice this pin right here. If you take a look at your leaf spring, you'll notice a pin that looks exactly like this. And you have to make sure that this hole right here sits right on that pin and that the axle perch sits right on this pin. If that doesn't happen, your rear axle is going to be able to move around. We don't want that to happen. So now I'm just going to go ahead and jack the rear up about 3.5 inches and slide this in and get my pins all lined up. Alright, a little more. Okay, let's come on down nice and easy, slow. Watch your fingers. Coming down slow, okay, about right there. Alright, so when this happens, sometimes the pin will line right up and sometimes it won't. And sometimes you'll just need to give it a little encouragement to make it pop in. So we got lucky on that one. I'll go ahead and take my U-bolts here and I'll install them right here like this. We're going to be using the same exact shackle that came with the truck originally. So that'll just go right up. Washer. Your nut, and then I'll get my front set up, same. Then I'll go ahead and tighten all these guys down. When you tighten them down, do not just grab one and torque it all the way down. You want to make sure that you get them up nice and even and slow. So just get them all snug first, then get them a little bit tighter, until everybody's nice and tight. And you're going to tighten these up to about 75 to 85 pounds. So I'm going to get this all set up and I'll be right back. Alright, we're all torqued up to about 75 to 85 pounds. We're good and safe. Now, one of the reasons I like this kit is because I don't have to put on drop shocks. Normally when you drop something you have to go do that, but this saves you money and not, because the perch right down here stays the same, so no shocks. Saving you time, saving you money. Let me go ahead and put the tire back on. Let's see how far we come down. Alright, so you can see we got 3 inches, maybe even a little bit more out of this, and it only took us about an hour or so. Big payoff for little time, little money. Now, you be sure and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and go to the YouTube channel and subscribe. You'll be able to see this video, plus you'll see roller bearings, disc brakes, front drop, the whole 9 yards. We'll see you all there.